Okay, we're gonna throw the motor in now. Spot on the floor to pick up. Okay, once you go front bolt, I got rear bolt.
Got him?
So this is something like this. See what we have on here. Walking away from the shot.
Pretty good.
He's not letting me go in.
Oh, because we gotta come back. Cause okay, I'm in on the bottom, so you gotta go in on the bottom right
I'm
now.
in. Okay, let's get your front mount. Drop the left down. I got the motor. We're blocking the vehicle.
Try it.
Stop. Right there. There. A bit too low.
A little bit too low?
Good. All I gotta do is look at the part and let you can see the difference.
Yeah.
So we're just jacking this up and down, which is the tranny, until you get the gaps around in here. See a little bit higher right now. So bring it down to the more equal, about there. And it's on the front block all the way, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, once you get the front one mounts going, I got the rear ones here. Loose until you pull it. We're gonna need
Yeah. Front. We go up a bit.
You want the front motor to go up?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pull these in on this side and we'll jack up the whole thing on the jack.
Okay. What do you think of those pistons? 60,000.
I don't know. Really pay attention to them. Okay, lift your end, two more. We got a problem here. I might have to put these hoses in before we do the rest of this.
Okay.
We're gonna have to pull the motor to do the hoses. So we get oil lines to go right in here. And I don't think we have access to the pliers to put them in there. And once you pop up the lines here, just our lines. Popping up the oil line. Probably gonna put those in first. Got our brand new pliers here. And bricks. And it looks like there's just room to get in there. Barely. Probably not going to be enough.
Well, if not, worm clamps going on there, you know what I mean?
Can't get to it well.
And then,
I think I just had to loosen the motor up, slide it. Well, this motor will slide forward, but. Alright. Well, let's put the hose with the clamps in there and see what kind of room we got to work with.
oh, did that stuff show up?
What stuff?
The stuff we already commanded on? Be on the front porch.
What, worm clamps?
No, the,
You got a bag over there at Amazon, I don't know what's in there. I think it's snap rings.
there we go, that's what I was.
What are you thinking of? But that's snap rings. We didn't order, you never did order up the clamps.
Yeah, they're here. They're on the front porch right now.
We'll go get them.
Guarantee it. Oh, this is it.
Those aren't snap rings, those are clamps?
Oh no, these are snap rings. Sorry. Yeah, we got the clamps we bought from Harley. This is what I was talking about. We got this. There should be snap rings, so we're not searching garage floors, hoping we find snap rings again. So that should be
Yeah, but that's not gonna help us right now.
for the game. And then
Okay, I think we're gonna have to pull this motor up to get to go forward slightly, which is gonna be hard to do, but because the motor mounts right up against it. Probably have to pull the motor back out, put our lines on, and then drop the motor back in. I think that's what's gonna have to get done. I'm about 99% sure that's what's gonna have to happen, but there's always that 1% chance it'll work without it. Just not holding my breath.
that T70 we ordered didn't show up.
Where's the hose?
Both right here. What did we do with the Harley stuff?
What, the Harley clamps?
Yep.
Yeah, right there on the table, there you go. Hey,
Over there?
everything's right here. Oh, I told you it was already up here. You're ignoring me.
So why didn't you ask me where the clamps were at then?
You said you got new clamps. I didn't think you even ordered the damn thing. So those is that the clamp you're talking about?
Yeah.
Amazon only has snap
I'm gonna
rings.
have to check Amazon, find out why our T70s aren't here.
The T70 is a tool. Okay, that's on there. So slip one on and we'll.
So we're gonna try to get to this side of it,
It has
right?
to be that side, it has to be in the front. Just do the one.
Yeah.
Let's get the plier up in there. I'd say try, if you pinch it down, it's not
Push
going
it
to
down, it ain't gonna turn, right? So we're gonna have to.
You see the tool. You can either do it on the front or you can do it on the side. That flashlight over there.
Yep.
Fresh battery and everything. Warmest. What did you do to my battery? Oh, now I can't see anything. Are you done playing with it? Okay, good. Let's see this working very well.
You know what we gotta do?
Yeah, pull the motor.
Yep.
I already knew that. So can you have my finger in there or I can have both? Can't have
You
both.
can't have both.
I need both.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, let's just do it. Alright.
It's pretty much been that way all night.
Yeah, sometimes that's the way it goes. Got one quick, huh? You want me to turn it down?
Nope.
Alright.
I figured I'd be not need it once I got in and started working.
Yeah.
But
When you place your comfy little mat.
well, I'm glad someone's getting used to
She's
it.
not one to share.
Oh, the dog sleeping on it?
Yeah.
No. I want to push the dog off my mat. So that's for me. Right now it's for you because it's on your side of the bike. But
Stinker.
pull it. Alright.
Just take her back around out this side.
Front bolts out.
Yeah, I never got them in because remember they weren't lining up.
There you go.
Oh, it's got to come forward. That's right.
How easy it looks.
Yeah. Just gotta grab it right.
The dog in the way. You good?
Nope. I got her.
You don't have it. Second one out. The motor mount's the problem. It's caught on the motor mount, it's pulling it down. Okay, let me, hold on, let me see what we can do here to fix that problem. Sure. We gotta keep the motor mount from coming up, so find my big screwdriver, whatever I do with it. This thing right here. It's gonna come straight out. Simple. Yeah, I got access to the house now.
Hey, what do you know? All right, there's a little tidbit of knowledge for you.
What? The motor's heavy?
This stuff has to be done before you stick the motor in.
There you go. At $15 a piece, you can do your own clamps.
Right?
Okay, so somewhere between here and there, which is about in the middle. A quarter inch from the end is fine. Straight in. Use the big fat line nipper, not the short one. Yep, you got it. What are you coming over here for?
See what I'm doing.
No. You put it right here, not in the middle.
Like this.
I don't know why you went to that direction, but that's fine. It was alright, it was working.
You like where it's at on it?
I'm holding, I don't know what you're doing. You shoved it all the way up the hose. I don't know why you shoved it all the way up the hose. Let go. I was holding it, and you shoved it off the hose. Yeah.
Oh, I thought the hose was going all the way in. I didn't see where.
So, if you keep screwing around with the damn thing, it's never going to be done. So, if you go like this, it's impossible for you to screw up because it's all the way in. Because we're pushing against the case,
Right.
which limits what you can do. It's pretty hard for you to screw it up if you
Well,
can't go any further over.
Is that tight enough? Should I go a little more on that or no?
Too much more, you cut it, and try a little bit more if you want. So you got the nipple here and you got the flat edge there, somewhere in between. It works out to about half the plier, which is just fine. You whip the plier is all it takes. You can almost see that. So and they're tight now because they were loose before, so they're not rotating this time. And these have been out of the way when we come down.
Right.
But we do want to put the clamps on there right now
Yes.
while we have access. So grab a couple more of them cheap ass clamps you got. How much are those things?
Wait, this. $3.95 a piece from Harley. You know, that's like a
Because they're black instead of stainless, you can buy it for
Sweet, like
$4 for a whole kit. Of course, the ones we took off were stainless, but you know,
robbery.
that's highway robbery.